Here comes my dad after his endeavor.
Underwear!
To get underwear. See, does he look like
his
a
task to get
his tidy whities. Yeah.
Heidi, what? Her phone just fell on my foot. Ooh.
Look how piggy bird.
How was your endeavor to get underwear?
Your
Didn't
attempt.
find any.
You didn't find any underwear?
No.
Oh. Okay.
There are no good colors of underwear.
Well, I don't go for colors.
What do you go for?
Style. Size. What type of style do you wear?
Oh, I don't know. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's tough to say. You know it when you find it.
What?
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 Hi there.
What?
What?
Cookie Monster.
Look at mine, ready?
Oh! Go back to that! Go back to that! Back! No! Not that! Not this one! Avril Lavigne was on the other.
Yeah.
No! Forward! This one. Too loud. What you yelling for? Lay back. It's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you would see nobody else, not everyone else. You're watching your back, like you can't relax. You're trying to be cool. You look like a fool to me. Tell me, why'd you have to go and make things so complicated? You see the way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, and you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. Promise me you never want to find thank you. No, no, I have to go and make things so complicated. The way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you fall and you crawl and you break and you get and you turn it. You're gonna find underwear at a candy store?
Oh boy. It's called Yummies. There's candy and nuts.